stop leaving money on the table. Are taxes, fear of AI, and business marketing confusion costing you time, money, and sleep? No one teaching you how money works. I get it. You're not alone. You are missing out on deductions and credits. You're filing your IRS taxes late. You're overwhelmed. You're overpaying in interest and not even understanding how to start or grow a business. And then even AI and marketing, it's all a foreign language. Everyone telling you, I'm a coach online, but their advice keeps you invisible and it's keeping you stuck. Every delay is dollars left on the table, but you want success better than you want to breathe. Every day that you're missing out on opportunities, there has to be a solution. But that's exactly why we created the AI Legacy Blueprint Master Calculator, to give you those clear steps, those credible answers, and AI-powered tools that'll actually help you stop leaving money on the table and move money back into your life. I'm Adriane Mayes, your AI cash story captain and AI Wealth Strategist. What up, though? Partnering with Enyka Gaines, the Tax Extraordinaire, and together we help CEOs, coaches, creators, consultants, business owners, and taxpayers change their story, dominate their money, eliminate tax confusion, and build lasting financial security using the #1 AI financial education tool in the world without overwhelm. You won't find this solution anywhere. With integrity, precision, and AI-powered financial education, inside the AI Legacy Blueprint Master Calculator, we keep it simple. Plain English pillars, organized by real-life situations, step-by-step guidance to help homeowners, side hustlers, nonprofits, freelancers, and W-2 workers, checklists, challenges, calculators, and AI prompts to help you execute, not just learn, and collaboration opportunities so you don't build alone. This isn't theory. This is about real money, real results, in real life. Your authentic story, that's a blueprint, and you have to start somewhere, and we're helping people get unstuck fast. So right now, we're in the beta testing for the AI Legacy Blueprint Master Calculator. We need your voice. We want your honest feedback. We want you to win. But again, if you want success, click the link in the bio to get started and comment, yes, I'm in, ready to make change with your financial situation. Your voice is the seed, AI is the soil, and together we grow financial freedom. Because again, mind your financial business, build your wealth, attempt, observe, adjust, repeat. I can, I will, I shall be victorious. What up, though, Detroit, Michigan? Let's go. Deuces.